3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If you encounter the unable to retrieve data error code 20U1 issue in the Marvel gaming platform, here's how you can resolve it effectively. Start by changing your network connection. If you are currently using a wired or Ethernet connection, switch to a wireless network like Wi-Fi. Conversely, if you're on Wi-Fi, switching to mobile data or vice versa. After changing your connection type, restart the game to check if problem is resolved. If the error persists, ensure you are not connected to any third-party VPN. Such connections often interfere with the game's data retrieval and cause this issue. Disconnect from any VPNs and try again. If the issue still occurs, proceed to change your DNS server. On a PC, open the control panel, navigate to Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. Access the Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection properties, select IP4, and update the DNS server settings to Google's DNS. Set the primary DNS to 8.8.8 and the alternative DNS to 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, click OK, and relaunch the game. This process can also be followed on gaming consoles like Xbox or PlayStation. Open the network settings on your console. Modify the DNS server to match the Google DNS addresses mentioned, and test the connection again. With these steps, your issue should be resolved, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted gaming.